Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I already tried doing this intro, but I was holding the baby and it was a little bit hard. I am vlogging from my new camera, so I'm so excited to see how different this is than from my iPhone. So we will see. But today I'm going to be cooking stuffed meatballs. They're stuffed with mozzarella cheese. My husband picked the cheese. Oh, let me see. So these are the things that you are going to need. Mozzarella cheese. You can choose whichever kind you like. Usually he gets the fresh one from Trader Joe's, but this one will do good too. I don't know where this is from. Any type of ground meat that you like. We like to use turkey, so we have some ground turkey meat. I do not make my sauce from scratch, so this will do. And some pasta. So I already have the water boiling, so this should only take 10 to 15 minutes. And depending on how big your family is, use the whole box or use half. It's just the 3 of us, and I only eat once. My husband he'll have this for dinner, and then he'll take some for lunch. So let's see, put that in there. I need to close this a little bit. Can you go put his pajamas on, please? Baby, it's dirty. The floor is dirty. Let me show you guys. Say hi. Chion, I love you. Okay, let me put this back down. Hopefully I can get it back to where it was. Okay. Okay, so you will need a little bowl. So I'm gonna use this one. Should be good. Rinse it a little bit. You will also need 1 egg. I actually like to put a little bit of water on this, kind of like rinse it a tiny bit. Sorry guys, please do not use your phone when you're cooking because the germs from your phone. My sister-in-law. My sister-in-law and my brother-in-law are on their way to Disneyland, which I'm so happy for them. They need some fun time. I wanted to play some music while I cook, but since I am filming, I won't be able to. Okay. So, okay. So you will also need some breadcrumbs. We usually have the Italian one, but my husband bought this one on accident the other day. So what I've been doing lately is just adding my own seasoning to it. And I actually used it to make breaded chicken breast the other day, and it was so good. I used this seasoning that my sister-in-law also told me about. I use this on everything now. It's so good. But I will also be using some of this. We need to buy a new one of these when you go to Costco, please. Okay. I use this shit for everything too. Okay, so let me get my egg. Let me put this right there. And I always eye this, but my husband recently bought me these little things, so I'm actually gonna start using them. I have the scissors right here. So let me how cute is this little Christmas thing I got at Target? Better not pout. I look at that and laugh when I'm cooking and don't want to be cooking. Okay, so this is 1 cup. So I'm gonna try to measure from now on whenever I do any of these cooking videos so that you guys can follow instructions. Ooh, seems like a lot. Ugh. Okay. Okay, so I'm actually going to Disneyland when my sister comes to visit. I'm taking her kids and my goddaughter, so I am so excited. I'm inviting them to come with us. Okay, so I actually did half of 1 cup because it looks like a lot. So just add it on here. Okay, remember the egg is in there, and then just do some of your seasonings. So I will do some of this. And I eye everything like I said. I'm going to do a little bit of this just to give it like a little kick. So, and I am going to lastly do some black pepper. Okay, and then this is the fun part. I'm being sarcastic. The camera looks like it's a little low. Is it low? Okay. All right. So, then you just, with your hands, or with one hand, you get in here and you mix everything together. Oh crap. You guys, Sebastian is teething badly, so he's so fuzzy. And I feel bad because I just want to hold him, but I need to make dinner. This is so cold. So the camera, I don't know why it turned off. I hope it recorded everything I was doing, but I just put the baby to sit here with some snacks so he can watch me, and gonna get back to the cooking. So let's see. I'm going to add some water to the pasta because it's boiling, and it's evaporating. So and when you need to add water to your pasta. Ow. Always add hot water. You guys, I hurt my wrist a couple of days ago. I think probably weeks now. And as you can see, that hurt. ¿Qué pasó, mi amor? ¿Qué quieres? My wrist hurt. Okay, so what I should have done before I prepped this, I should have cut my cheese so it was ready to go. But let me cut it now. I'm going to use this board. And I'm going to actually, I have a favorite knife. It's this tiny little one. We were gifted this. ¿Qué tienes? You want water? Dile a tu papi que te dé agua. I talk to him like if he can speak. But we were gifted this kitchen knife set for our wedding, and it was my favorite wedding present because I like to cook and I use my knives. So one of the reasons why I like to use fresh mozzarella, because it's so easy to cut. Like, you can easily glide your knife through it. I'm losing my eyelashes. You can easily glide your knife. And this one is so freaking hard. And good thing my eyelash fell on my sweater when I was food. I've been rubbing my eyes so much that I think that's why it fell. But do not rub your eyes if you have lashes. Number one rule. Okay. My stuff I use also fails. It's alright. Okay. So you want to cut it into little squares. These are pretty big squares. Let me make them smaller. And this is the right size that you want to get. I have pretty small hands, so I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see the size. Okay. I'm going to, this is pretty hot now, so I'm gonna use some olive oil to cook my meatballs in. And you can use any kind of oil that you like. Okay, so I'm going to this with a spoon this time. I'm going to use this. ¿Qué tienes? Stop drinking so fast. I'm just going to rinse this. I'm going to scoop like if I'm scooping ice cream. And perfect meatball. Now you just, with your thumb, make a little gap and then you close it up. And see? Perfect. And this is why you use breadcrumbs. This is so much easier. Okay? So how are we going to fast forward to this because it takes a little bit of time. Okay. There's another one. And when you already have like 5, you want to put them to oils. And then when these are already cooking, I think these are not gonna be that salty. I didn't put a lot of seasoning, but we'll see how they turn out. I actually like the color. And when you see that if you can see your cheese, it's not good. It's not ready. I'm gonna make this one extra special. I'm gonna put more cheese in there. These little pieces. As you can see, I almost calculated the cheese. I have 2 little squares extra. And I can see the cheese. Okay. So any quick garlic bread is good. My husband likes this one specifically. I don't know if this is the one we get at Target. I think at Costco. But it always looks the same to me. Actually, fun fact, you guys, I do not do groceries. ¿Qué pasó? What happened, baby? I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me with this, but I always forget to turn it on. Also, you guys, I did not time the pasta, but I'm so used to cooking it that I know when it's ready. So it's ready now. So, now that these are cooked, I'm going to show you guys again. They're nice and cooked. I am going to add you can use any flavor. We usually do tomato and basil or the 5 cheese. I also like to, with a napkin and a fork, kind of like get all the oil that's left in there. Alright, I am going to show you guys. Look! Oh my gosh, that looks so delicious. And I didn't use all of the pasta. There's some there and there's some there. Because you need to make sure it's not dry. So I actually need to get a light for this camera, but how good does that look?